Welcome back to the Biotech Studio, where science meets wonder and technology connects with life in the most unexpected ways. Picture this, you are looking up at the sun, that bright ball of fire we rely on every single day, and hidden within its blazing surface are explosions so powerful they make nuclear bombs look like firecrackers. These are solar flares, sudden bursts of energy from the sun's tangled magnetic fields, and scientists have just discovered that they can get way hotter than we ever thought, reaching an astonishing 60 million degrees Celsius, or 108 million degrees Fahrenheit. To put that in perspective, the sun's core, the very heart where nuclear fusion happens, is only about 15 million degrees Celsius, which means these flares are literally 4 times hotter than the sun itself. But here's where the mystery deepens. Researchers found that the flares' charged particles aren't evenly heated. The ions, the heavyweights, are far hotter than the electrons, which completely flips what we thought we knew about plasma physics. It's like boiling water and finding out the steam is colder than the pot. It just doesn't add up without new science. So why should we care about these fiery tantrums of the sun? Because solar flares don't just stay up there, they blast radiation and charged particles across space, sometimes all the way to Earth. And when they hit, they can wreak havoc, shutting down satellites, scrambling GPS, frying power grids, and even putting astronauts at risk. Imagine waking up one morning to no internet, no navigation, no flights, no communications, all because of a storm 150 million kilometers away. And yet, these storms aren't just destructive, they're also breathtaking, creating dazzling auroras that paint the sky in ribbons of green and purple. That's the beauty of science. Danger and wonder often go hand in hand. For biotech and beauty lovers, there's a surprising twist too. Understanding space weather actually helps us design better tech to protect our skin from UV radiation, improve space-based imaging, and safeguard the satellites that drive everything from weather forecasts to skincare apps. This discovery is more than just numbers. It's a reminder that the sun, the very source of life on Earth, still holds secrets powerful enough to humble us. So, what do you think? Are we truly prepared for the next solar superstorm, or are we still underestimating our fiery neighbor? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed unraveling this cosmic mystery with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Biotech Studio for more fascinating journeys where science, biotechnology, and beauty innovations all collide.